Anyone who works with tools knows the frustration. A cut that doesn't land exactly where you plan, a joint that refuses to line up, dust building up everywhere in the shop, or a project slowing down because the tool you're using just isn't powerful or precise enough. These small problems add up quickly. Wasted material, extra adjustments, and hours of work that could have been finished much faster with the right equipment. And that's exactly why professional builders and woodworkers rely on brands known for performance and durability. And when it comes to that reputation, few brands stand out like Milwaukee. Milwaukee tools are known for their reliability, power, and smart technology designed to make tough jobs easier. In this video, we're looking at 30 Milwaukee tools from Amazon you probably didn't even know existed. But once you see them, you might wonder how you ever worked without them. All the links to these tools are listed in the description below. So let's start the countdown. Number 30, Milwaukee M18. Power source. Have you ever been in the middle of a job site with a dead phone, drained battery pack, or device that needs power right away? That's where the Milwaukee M18 power source becomes incredibly useful. By simply attaching any M18 battery, the unit instantly becomes a portable charging station. It includes an AC outlet, a USB-C fast charging port, and a USB-A port so you can power multiple devices at the same time. It also features Milwaukee's RedLink intelligence, which protects the battery and connected devices from overload. The result is a compact power solution that keeps your tools and devices running wherever the job takes you. Number 29, Milwaukee MX Portable Core Drill. Drilling through reinforced concrete is one of the toughest jobs for any power tool. Traditional corded drills can be powerful, but the cables can slow you down and limit mobility. The Milwaukee MX Portable Core Drill changes that by delivering the power of a corded system while running entirely on battery. The tool can drill large diameter holes in concrete with surprising control. It also includes safety features like an automatic clutch that stops rotation if the bit jams. Combined with its built-in LED level, it helps ensure cleaner and more accurate drilling even during demanding construction work. Number 28, M18 FUEL Mud Mixer. Mixing heavy materials like mortar, paint, or concrete can quickly become exhausting with traditional mixers. The M18 FUEL Mud Mixer solves that by combining cordless freedom with impressive mixing power. Its brushless motor provides the torque needed to handle thick materials, while the adjustable speed settings allow precise control. The 180-degree handle design also makes it easier to hold the tool comfortably from different positions. Whether you're working in construction or renovation, it helps deliver smooth and consistent mixing without the hassle of extension cords. Number 27, Milwaukee Hardline Fixed Knife. Sometimes the most useful tools are the simplest ones. The Milwaukee Hardline Fixed Knife is built for durability and precision cutting. Its full-tang AUS-8 steel blade provides excellent edge retention, meaning it stays sharp longer even with heavy use. The over-molded handle offers a secure grip, even in wet or dusty conditions, and with its multi-position sheath, it's easy to carry and access when needed. It's a tough, reliable utility knife that works just as well on the job site as it does in outdoor tasks. Number 26, Milwaukee Mounting Fan. Working in a hot workshop or construction site can quickly become uncomfortable. The Milwaukee Mounting Fan is designed to bring airflow wherever you need it. Powered by the M12 battery platform, it delivers strong air movement while remaining compact and portable. What makes it especially versatile is the mounting system. Built-in magnets, a spring clamp, and screw holes allow you to attach it almost anywhere. The fan head also rotates 360 degrees, letting you direct airflow exactly where it's needed. Number 25, Milwaukee Overhead Rotary Hammer. Drilling overhead can put a lot of strain on your arms and shoulders, and the Milwaukee Overhead Rotary Hammer is designed specifically to reduce that fatigue. Its compact design combines drilling power with a built-in dust extraction system. The updated side handle position provides a more natural working posture, helping improve control during overhead drilling. It also includes an auto-stop safety feature that stops the tool if it binds, reducing the risk of injury and making demanding tasks safer to handle. Number 24, Milwaukee Reciprocating Saw. Cutting through materials in tight spaces often requires a tool that's both powerful and compact. The Milwaukee Reciprocating Saw delivers exactly that. Despite its lightweight design, it offers high cutting speed and strong performance thanks to its brushless motor. The pivoting shoe helps keep steady contact with the material while reducing vibration. Combined with Milwaukee's RedLink Plus electronics, the tool protects itself from overheating and overload, while ensuring consistent performance during heavy cutting tasks. Number 23. Milwaukee Cordless Chainsaw. Small cutting jobs often don't require a full-size chainsaw, but traditional tools can still feel bulky. The Milwaukee Cordless Chainsaw provides a lighter and more manageable option. Despite its compact size, the brushless motor delivers impressive cutting power. With a single charge, the saw can perform dozens of cuts through hardwood. The automatic chain oiler and easy tension adjustment also keep the tool running smoothly. It's ideal for pruning branches, cutting beams, or handling quick job site tasks. Number 22. Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet. Working in tight spaces like engine compartments can make traditional wrenches difficult to use. The Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet is designed specifically for those confined areas. Its low-profile head allows easy access where larger tools simply won't fit. The built-in LED light improves visibility in dark areas, while the variable speed trigger provides precise control. Combined with the M12 battery system, it offers the speed of a power tool with the accessibility of a hand ratchet. Number 21. Milwaukee Utility Remote Searchlight. Lighting large work areas can be difficult, especially outdoors or during night work. The Milwaukee Utility Remote Searchlight delivers powerful illumination with up to thousands of lumens of output. It offers both flood and spotlight modes depending on the task. The wireless remote control allows you to adjust the light from a distance, which can be extremely helpful during rescue operations or large job sites. Built with durable materials and weather resistance, it's designed to perform in harsh conditions. Number 20. Milwaukee TrapSnake Drain System. Clogged drains can turn into a messy and frustrating task. And the Milwaukee TrapSnake system simplifies the process with a modular drain cleaning design. Powered by the M12 motor unit, it works with different attachments for sinks, toilets, and urinals. The cable drive system allows fast feeding and retraction while maintaining precise control. And because the system is designed to protect delicate surfaces like porcelain, it reduces the risk of damage during plumbing work. Number 19. Milwaukee Utility Hot Stick Light. Working in dark or narrow spaces can slow down even experienced professionals. The Milwaukee Utility Hot Stick Light solves that by providing bright LED illumination directly where you need it. With up to 350 lumens of output and adjustable brightness levels, it can run for hours on a single charge. The durable aluminum body is rated for dust and water resistance, meaning it can handle tough job site conditions. It's a simple tool, but one that makes a big difference when visibility matters. Number 18. Milwaukee Neck Lamp. Sometimes the best lighting solution is one that keeps your hands completely free. The Milwaukee Neck Lamp rests comfortably around the neck while delivering bright LED lighting directly toward your workspace. With multiple brightness modes and long battery life, it's ideal for repair work, tight mechanical tasks, or evening projects. Because the light moves with you, it keeps your work area illuminated no matter how you reposition yourself. Number 17. Milwaukee Compact Cutoff Tool. Cutting metal, tile, or plastic in tight spaces can be challenging with large tools. The Milwaukee Compact Cutoff Tool is designed for precision work in those confined areas. Its brushless motor provides strong cutting power while maintaining a lightweight design. The tool uses standard 3-inch cutting discs and even supports certain rotary accessories with adapters. For many professionals, it becomes the go-to tool for quick and controlled cutting jobs. Number 16. Milwaukee M18 Inflator. Inflating tires or equipment with manual pumps can take time and effort. The Milwaukee M18 Inflator makes the process simple. With a powerful motor capable of reaching high PSI levels, it inflates tires quickly and accurately. The digital pressure system automatically stops when the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. It also includes preset pressure memory and onboard storage for accessories, making it extremely convenient for job sites or vehicles. Number 15. Milwaukee Dust Trap. Drilling into concrete or masonry often creates clouds of dust. The Milwaukee Dust Trap helps capture that debris before it spreads around the workspace. The compact design attaches directly to rotary hammer drills, collecting dust as the hole is drilled. This keeps the job site cleaner and improves air quality during work. Some users mention that cleaning the unit takes a little time, but the benefit of reduced dust exposure makes it a useful accessory. Number 14. Milwaukee Coil Roofing Nailer. Roofing work requires tools that are both fast and reliable. The Milwaukee Coil Roofing Nailer uses a powerful motor and nitrogen spring system to drive nails quickly and consistently. With the ability to fire several nails per second, it dramatically speeds up roofing installation. The cordless design also eliminates the need for compressors and hoses, making it easier to move around the roof safely. Number 13. Milwaukee FUEL Hex Impact Driver. Driving screws into dense materials can quickly test the limits of weaker tools. The Milwaukee FUEL Hex Impact Driver is designed to handle heavy fastening tasks with ease. Its power-state brushless motor delivers impressive torque and speed. Multiple driving modes allow better control for different materials, much preventing stripped screws or damaged surfaces. With Milwaukee's red lithium battery system, the tool also delivers longer runtime between charges. Number 12. Milwaukee Fuel Vacuum Pump Kit. Working with HVAC systems requires reliable vacuum pumps. The Milwaukee Fuel Vacuum Pump Kit provides strong performance without the need for cords. Powered by the M18 battery platform, it can operate for extended periods while maintaining consistent vacuum pressure. Features like the manifold mode and check valve system help improve efficiency during system evacuation. For technicians constantly moving between job sites, the cordless design can make a noticeable difference in workflow. Number 11. Milwaukee Laser Alignment Base. Precise alignment can be difficult when setting up laser levels. The Milwaukee Laser Alignment Base allows extremely fine adjustments with remote control functionality. From a distance of over 100 feet, users can adjust alignment without touching the tool. The base rotates smoothly and stabilizes itself even on slightly uneven surfaces. For construction professionals who rely on precise measurements, this level of control can greatly improve accuracy. Number 10. Milwaukee Brushless Planer Tool. Flattening and smoothing wood surfaces requires both precision and power. The Milwaukee Brushless Planer delivers both in a compact cordless design. Its powerful motor allows fast material removal while maintaining smooth finishes. Multiple depth adjustments allow precise control depending on the project. Because it runs on the M12 battery system, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver during finished carpentry work. Number 9. Milwaukee Narrow Crown Stapler. Fastening materials like insulation or upholstery can take a lot of time with manual staplers. The Milwaukee Narrow Crown Stapler speeds up the process with cordless power and consistent staple driving. Its brushless motor ensures reliable performance, while the depth adjustment allows precise fastening. With thousands of staples possible per charge, it's a practical tool for both professionals and large DIY projects. Number 8. Milwaukee Underhood Light. Working on vehicles often means dealing with poor lighting. The Milwaukee Underhood Light solves that by delivering bright and evenly distributed illumination across the entire engine bay. The adjustable frame extends to fit different vehicle sizes, while protective hooks prevent damage to painted surfaces. Built with durable aluminum and impact resistance, it's designed to handle tough workshop environments. Number 7. Milwaukee Handheld Sprayer. Applying liquids evenly across large surfaces can be difficult with manual sprayers. The Milwaukee Handheld Sprayer provides instant and adjustable pressure without manual pumping. Multiple pressure modes allow users to adapt to different spraying tasks. The pump design also increases durability while maintaining consistent output. It's useful for cleaning, coating, or other fluid applications on job sites. Number 6. Milwaukee Stick Transfer Pump. Moving water from pits, trenches, or containers can be messy and time-consuming. And the Milwaukee Stick Transfer Pump simplifies that job by pumping water quickly using the M12 battery platform. Its long aluminum tube allows access to deeper areas, while the integrated filter helps prevent debris from clogging the system. For maintenance work and water transfer tasks, it offers a portable and efficient solution. Number 5. Milwaukee Leveling Tripod. Setting up tools on uneven surfaces can be frustrating. And the Milwaukee leveling tripod provides stability with adjustable legs and a durable frame. Its quick deployment design allows setup in seconds, while the flat folding structure makes transportation easy. Once positioned, it provides a solid base for tools or materials during work. Number 4. Milwaukee High Torque Multi-Bit Driver. Sometimes you need the versatility of multiple screwdrivers in one tool. The Milwaukee High Torque Multi-Bit Driver combines interchangeable bits with a durable ratcheting mechanism. The chrome-coated bits resist corrosion, while the magnetic holder keeps them secure. It's designed for heavy-duty work while maintaining the convenience of a compact multi-tool. Number 3. Milwaukee Footwear. Long hours on job sites can be hard on your feet. Milwaukee Footwear is designed with advanced cushioning technology that absorbs impact and improves comfort during extended workdays. The ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue while providing reliable support. For professionals who spend most of the day standing or walking, that extra comfort can make a significant difference. Number 2. Milwaukee Jobsite Cooler. Keeping food and drinks cold during long workdays is more important than many people realize. The Milwaukee Jobsite Cooler is built with heavy-duty materials and strong insulation that can keep ice frozen for hours. The design includes multiple storage pockets and durable zippers. It's built tough enough to handle harsh environments while still being easy to carry. Number 1. Milwaukee Rotary Tool. For detailed cutting, polishing, or grinding tasks, versatility becomes extremely valuable. The Milwaukee Rotary Tool provides high-speed performance with variable speeds reaching tens of thousands of revolutions per minute. Despite its power, the tool remains compact and lightweight, making it easy to control for delicate work. Because it supports a wide range of rotary accessories, it becomes one of the most flexible tools you can have in your workshop. And that wraps up our list of 30 Milwaukee tools from Amazon you didn't know you needed. From powerful cutting tools to clever accessories and smart job site gear, Milwaukee continues to create equipment that makes work faster, safer, and more efficient. If any of these tools caught your attention, you'll find the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tool discoveries. Thanks for watching.